Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Rise to Wake not working on iPhone. If Rise to Wake is not working on your iPhone, try the following steps to fix this issue. Number one is check the settings. Ensure Rise to Wake setting is enabled. Tap on the settings. Tap on display and brightness. Make sure Rise to Wake is on. If turned off, simply turn it on and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issues. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is hard reset your iPhone. Tap on setting, tap on volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is reset all settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your iPhone settings and fix your problem. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Solution number six is disable and re-enable Face ID, Touch ID. Go to the settings, little bit scroll up, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode, reset your Face ID and set up your Face ID again and fix your problem. If solution number six is not working, applying the solution number seven. Solution number seven is clean the screen and sensor. Ensure the screen and sensors are free from dust and damage. Simply check the camera lens. If camera lens is dirt and dust, clean with cloth and tissue paper and remove the glass protector from your iPhone screen and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, visit the nearest Apple store to authorized and fix your problem. If make sure your iPhone is not dropped down and not in water. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.